Hi, this is 2014 Toyota Sienna. I'm going to replace passenger side fender. You see, it's had an accident, so I need to replace that. So after I open the hood, there's a 10mm bolt right here, one in here, and one in side right here. See this one right here. So you need a little extension for this. When you open the door, you will see that. Just unscrew like this. Eventually it came out. So I opened these two 10mm out. Now, so I took this two 10mm. There's one in here. There's a little rubber things. I need to take this off. See, this came out easily. And so this is another bolt. We need to take this off. So inside the door, there's another 10mm right here. So you need your extension for that. Oh, that's open. There's a 8mm in here. See this one? You can open the with 8mm, or you can open with the screwdriver too. I'm gonna open that. The 8mm out. After that, there's a should be clip. Somebody put the screw in here, and should be clip here. So it should be one clip in here too. See the hole? Should be one clip. There's the van had an accident, lost a clip too. There's a clip in the bottom. Just grab here, just pull it like this. Whole thing came out. Then there's a two 10mm, one in here and one right here. See this in the hole right here. So two 10mm bolt I need to take out. Then I'm gonna open two more 10mm, one in here, one in right here. See those two bolts is open. Here, one there. Okay, now I'm gonna take this. This is for the light. Take this off. It's 10mm. Then just pull it this. Oh, like that. So you have to save this. The new fender. It's not gonna come this. So you have to open those clip. There's one clip right here. See. So there's a 3 screw. One here, one there, one on the bottom, and the other one is underneath. See this? Need to take this screw out. To take this off. Take this off. You see this one? Let's go right here. There's a little clip. So this one fit like this. See this right here. After that, there's a piece of foam right here. You can see side wall right here. See, after that I take the foam out. There's another bolt right here. 10mm. You need to take that out. This is the 10mm. You need to take this out right there. This is the fender liner. There's a clip right here. There's a push from here, both corner. Then it will go inside one by one. The push four corner. Same thing right here. Push clip. Take this off. Actually, there's a 3 push clips, same like this. So I have to take 3 this out. One there, one all the way bottom. Oh, see this clip? Take this out. So we have to put the clip, the new fender. Take from here and put in the new fender. You see this, all this corner, you need to push this. Push in the corner, then you can push it inside. Same thing the other one too, right here. So there's one screw you see in here. I'm gonna take this screw out, this one. Then you simply apply with something like this. There's a push clip. Let me open this screw. So make sure you open this clip, then you'll able to pull this trim out. You see, after I open this, the clip, this one, I have access to. I can able to pull this. Open this 10mm right here. Now I'm able to open this. So finally it's open. Take the leather out. So need to take this out. Even it's broke, so still I don't have another one, so I'm gonna put this in. Or you can replace this and buy the new one. Here you go, this is our fender. The new fender, I painted already. So I put this. And if you have this one, you see this clip, it should be 3 go in here, 1, 2 here, because most of the time is broke. Simple. Right here, you should in the new fender, and make sure these things go under here. There's a little clip right there, and this thing is go there. So first you tie this ball, and this one, put this foam inside like this foam. The later you can put the bottom one all the way. Then you have to put this. This is on the top like this. Now see this, I keep it a little loose. This because for the light, so you see the little gap, so I can adjust a little bit. Somebody's can push like this, and you can tie this right there. 2 bolts right here. I still keep this open. See that? So later on, I'm gonna tie this and put the foam through here. I'm gonna tie this bolt. Then this clip, put it in this clip, and right there's all this clip here. And some people open this bumper. I don't know why. You can do without open the bumper, or you can open the bumper too. That's very easy to open the bumper. Only thing you need to do, take the extra this You see this this clip, all this clip, that take the clip out, and when you pull, the grill will come out, and these are laid out, so you can pull this bumper out. Thanks back. That's all, guys. Thank you very much.